Good morning. Okay, so today I wanted to start out the day by kind of just going over some amazing apps that are out there for working with nonverbal children or adults. I mean, they could be for adults as well, but these are typically seen in the care of children and working with children in the school or parents or whatnot. I feel like my interaction with parents that have nonverbal children, they even at the school age, they've been parents for 5, 6, 7 years, and they still don't know what they don't know. They don't know what's out there. And so I really want to kind of bring those resources to the forefront and just kind of share them. So my favorite go-to webpage that kind of just highlights really great ones, really great apps, is thesensorytoolbox.com. So if you work with parents or you yourself are a parent, this is a great place to start. If you just go here, it's going to go over the 5 apps that are, the hot apps right now. So Prolo Q2 Go is a pretty common one. I've seen this a lot in the school districts. Usually you'll find this downloaded on a tablet, and the students use this to kind of convey their wants, their needs, and things that they want to say. It looks like this. So again, it's going to be like images where they would like see who I am. There's lots of different things. You can download different themes, if you will, to it. So places, different food items, things like that. So that's a really awesome app. Again, this is just going to be a video of how it works. So I'm not going to play that right now. But, so yeah, it goes over languages, sharing, just a great resource. The next one is my first AAC app. This one's a little more, I guess, not as simplistic. It's got a little bit more creativity to it. I don't know if you guys are going to pick up on the sound. I don't think so. But you kind of get the idea. So again, this is really user-friendly. It wouldn't be hard for, people who aren't tech savvy to kind of navigate this with the student. It's very easygoing. Talks about greetings. You can put in their specifics. It'll have their phone number, birthday, all those good things. So this one is a little more advanced, and I think I actually prefer this one to the Prolo. There's that one. UpCard. So UpCard is another one. I'll take you to this one. Okay. Don't know what's going on with that. We'll go back. Hopefully it has an example on here. I think it does. Yes, it does. Okay, so here is an UpCard example. Again, even if you can't hear it, you kind of get the idea. So 1 or 2 card sentences. I want 1 cookie. This one I feel like is not as good as the first 2. But if you have someone that doesn't really want to communicate a whole lot at any given time, they just want very straight to the point conversations, this might be for that. So again, it kind of tells you who it's great for. All of these do that, who it's great for, who it's not great for. So those who want a large range of preset words and sentences, this is probably not going to be the best one. But if they're just wanting user-friendly, things that are very interesting to them, not solely for speech or budget-friendly, this is free. So this would be, a great option. Tippy Talk. I'm just going to go straight down to the review. So Tippy Talk is more of like texting. Show pictures of their dad, one of their mom. So again, this is going to be an app that's accessible. It's basically sending a text that they form through pictures, and the person that's getting them won't even know it's coming through pictures. So the child's going to select images and then they are then going to be translated into words. Okay, so it's if they want to communicate through texting, this might be good for older students that want to feel like one with their peers. They don't need their message spoken out loud, so they're not hard of hearing or anything like that. They just kind of want to be discreet with their message. That's great. It's not great, again, if you have a need for a lot of word options or if they want their message read aloud, because it's not going to be able to do that, and who are not comfortable with having their message written. But again, I feel like this would be a great option for older students. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be just a few of the really great apps that are out there right now. I want to say the first two are not free. So ProloQ is not free, and neither is the second, my first AAC app. So they're not free, but the others are. So that being said, if you are mindful of a budget, you might want to consider the last three that I went over. If you really kind of just want to get the best bang for your buck, I would go with the second one. In my opinion, my first AAC app is a little bit more advanced than the ProloQ. ProloQ, again, is very familiar to students, so they have definitely seen that in their school district. It wouldn't be something entirely new that they'd have to learn, but I feel like this one is more just user-friendly and a little bit more descriptive. All right, so comment below if you have any questions about any other apps. I'll probably do a series on these. Again, I feel like there's just so much out there nowadays, and parents and people who work with these students just don't know what they don't know. They don't know what's out there. So I really want to kind of highlight a few of my favorites. All right, thanks guys.